Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the December PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. So if you're new to PreCuts quilt boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They actually have a classic box, which I'm opening today, which has fabric and notions and patterns, but they also have a stash builder box that is just all fabric, which is great. I think I unboxed one of those at the very beginning. They're a little bit boring to unbox, so I asked for the classic box so I could show more fun things, but definitely check it out on their website because they are full of fabulous fabric. The boxes did go up this year, I noticed, so they are now $68 a month, so that is kind of an investment, but they always have a ton of fabric and goodies inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at the December 2022 box. So sometimes they come in actual boxes, sometimes they come in these project bags, which I love because these are reusable bags. You can use them for knitting, cross stitch, crochet, anything like that. You can of course store anything you want in here, quilty projects, English paper piecing projects, and more. So I actually really prefer getting these as opposed to the boxes. The boxes I have used before, but most of them just go in the recycle bin for me. So these bags I actually put to good use. So I was excited to see that. They also have an insert that tells all about the products inside their boxes. So make sure to hang on to this. It tells you the value and how to use everything. And then on the back side, they have a spotlight for the designer. This month, they actually put the wrong designer on the back, so I'm not going to show you, but this month is designed by Poppy Cotton. So there's a lot of Poppy Cotton in here. You're going to love it. And then of course, they always encourage you to share your boxes on social media using hashtag PreCutsQuiltShop or PreCuts Quilt Box, and that enters you to win next month's box for free. So that's awesome. Don't forget to share your boxes. Let's go ahead and take a look at our first product. So the first thing in my box is a silk finish 50 weight solid cotton thread. This one is in the Moonstone colorway. This is from Mettler and it retails for $4.50. And it's a really nice kind of grayish blue tone. This would be perfect for quilting if you want your quilts to just show up a little bit but not a whole lot. It's a really nice neutral beautiful color. The pattern for this month is called Passerine quilt pattern. This one looks like it finishes at 56 by 56 and it's a cute star pattern. It says it's perfect for beginners. It's fat eighth or fat quarter friendly, and then of course their pattern has step-by-step instructions. They have all of the fabric requirements that you need on the back side as well. And just looking at it, it looks like a really fun fast quilt to put together. Now, one of the things they put in here is one of the small panels. Poppy Cotton always does fun panels with their lines. And this one, this Songbird one, here, let's see if we can, let's hold it this way. And they're a lot of fun. You can use them as quilt labels. You can use them as little special accents on like smaller projects like bags. Sorry, our birds keep being upside down. But each one has a cute little bird on it. They're all different and different colors. This values at $4. These are a lot of fun. And these are great to add, like I said, to small projects as like little special fussy cut accents and things like that. So super cute. They also put in a 2023 calendar towel. So this is kind of fun. Look at that. It is towel fabric, and then it's got all of the months, of course, on there in this fun, neutral, kind of floral and little bird print. Here's kind of an up close of what the months look like. And the towel, so that's really fun. This is just a tea towel. It measures 18 by 27. It retails for $14. And this is by Fancy That for Moda. So every month in their boxes, they put in a block of the month. It looks like we are on block number 9. This is a free pattern that comes in the boxes, and then once you get 12 months worth of boxes, they will send out a finishing layout for it, and you can put all those blocks together in a fun sampler quilt. I am hanging on to all of these patterns, and once I get them all together, I will bundle them up and give them away to one of you. All right, I also have a half yard of fabric. This is meant for the binding for your project, and this is again by a Poppy Cotton, and this is a print from their Farm Girls Unite line. It's one of my favorite lines. That particular line has a ton of fun prints, but that is what this one is from. All right, and then we have a whole little pile here. This is a fat quarter bundle. There's fat eighth bundle. There are 21 fat eighths in this collection. It is retailing for $56. So we have a lovely 21 piece fat eighth bundle. This is from their Songbird Serenade by Poppy Cotton. It's kind of hard to show in this how they have these fabrics cut. It's really handy for storage, but hopefully you can see some of those fun fabrics in there. It's a really nice pastel-y, springy line. It's really soft colors, and I think this is just going to be such a a fun quilt pattern to make. All right, that's everything that came in this month's box. Shipping for it was $10.60. So shipping did go up as well. Everything always goes up in January. The total retail for the box they're saying is $108. So that's a pretty good value for your money. So that's going to be it for today's unboxing. Now, as you know, I love poppy cotton, which means I already have all of this fabric, which means I'm going to be giving away this entire box to one of you. So to enter to win today's giveaway, make sure to, number one, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be picking from my subscribers. Number two, leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite item was from this month's unboxing and how you would use it in your sewing room. And then I will pick one winner from those comments. And number three, make sure that you live in the United States only, please. Shipping is super expensive internationally right now, so I have to keep it to US only. That's going to be it for today's video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below to enter to win the giveaway. If you win, I will reply to your comment here on YouTube. It will come from my YouTube account. There are other people out there creating accounts that look like me, that are not me, so please do not reply to anyone via text message, telegram, whatever they're doing, where they're saying you won and asking you for money. Don't do that. I will reply saying, congratulations, you won. Reply to me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. So you will be emailing me directly if you think you won, and then we will take it from there and I'll get your package shipped out to you. I'm sorry, we are just being attacked by scammers these days, and it's unfortunate, but it's the truth. So please don't give any personal information out to any of those people. Just make sure to email me directly. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.